From sky shines the light, and in the depth of darkness, La Terra hold the treasures for life. Minerals, plants, animals, human, and all which is invisible.
Till evil selfishness and greediness seeps the human mind.
What a lovely forest! Cut it down! The forest! Strong! Burn! Strong! Harder! Strong! Faster! No. I don't care. I don't care if it's like black or blue. I want my money.
Hey, we had an agreement. You owe me that money.
What the
Why don't
fuck
you do
are
that?
you talking about?
Oh, that's what
I want that now! I want that now! You know what? I need Maria! Have you seen Maria?
Maria, I don't know who is Maria. She's probably there. Go look.
Have you seen Maria? Get out of my face, idiot! I'm looking for Maria.
I don't know any Maria. Get lost.
Please.
Go.
I'm looking for Maria. Maria, what is Maria? Go away! I need Maria! Maria!
Antonio! Antonio! Have you seen
I'm
Antonio?
not seeing Antonio. Go away.
Have you seen Antonio?
I don't know any Antonio. I don't know. I need to make a call.
Antonio! Antonio, have you seen Antonio?
Take you to Antonio.
Antonio!
Antonio. I am Antonio. Hello?
Hello? Hello?
Hey,
Hello? Money, money, money! Yes! Money everywhere! Mass production! Gas! Telecommunication! Drugs! Petrol! Industry! Maria! Maria! You'll find your Maria. It's okay.
don't worry. Phone.
Call! Call.
Call. Call.
5
5
5
5
0
0
6
6.
5
We did 5.
5 5 0 5 5 0 6 7 9 0 5. Call.
Good. Maria?
No Maria. Exxon Mobile.
ExxonMobil.
Monsanto.
ExxonMobil. Monsanto. Monsanto. Nestle. Hello. Nestle. And Monsanto. Hello. $5 billion. Hello. Nestle. And Monsanto here. Monsanto. Hey, that's what the what? $5 billion. That's
Very terrible news from the Netherlands. Climate change has struck again. Over 1 million people are fleeing Amsterdam, over 10,000 are dead. And on other news, Nestle has bought now all the rights to the freshwater sources in Austria and is claiming that for the next 10 years.
Nein, in Indien, da hat es einfach zu viel Vergewaltigungen. Seit 10 Jahren hat sich das verdoppelt. Es ist einfach schrecklich als Frau.
Incredibile scontro tra squadre, 27.000 feriti a Roma dopo aver sconfitto la squadra della Lazio. I giocatori si sono...
Başbakanlar ifade bugün sözleşeceğiz. Yüklemeler yüzünden özürle çıkarı. Eğer yalanlar ve ajanlar dönse, ülke falan İstanbul.
La popolazione delle api mondialiste sta distruggendo a causa dell'inquinamento, dell'industrializzazione e del riscaldamento globale. A rischio tutto l'ecosistema e l'industrializzazione.
Magnitudo 8 earthquake kills everyone in the Caribbean. We are terrified for our tourists. What would they do?
Radio 1 News, Roma. Terribile incidente al largo delle coste siciliane. Petroliera battente bandiera panamese colpisce pescherecci.
ARD News. Deutschland brennt. Der Altkonflikt zwischen Ost und West ist endgültig eskaliert. 60,000 people died from overdoses in the US in 2016 alone. Half of them were from prescription medication. People are dying from drugs faster than from the peak times of HIV.
Téléfrance, Jean-Paul Sarah. Une marée noire d'une étendue inouïe s'est établie entre les mers de Chine et du Japon dû à un accident entre un pétrolier iranien et américain.
Distraction at all? Who is firing? On whose will? Who is bleeding and who is killed? How many towns, villages, cities must be punished? Must we bomb? Till all will rest and tasks are done. Why can't we take a fair share? Try to give and try to care. After all, how many years
we live. We have so little time to love and to forgive. Rise, my friends. Change your heart. Beyond our class and religion, we must not forget, first, we are all humans. Join your hands to save the earth. Join our hearts for the universe. We are one family in diversity. Rise, my friends! Rise! Rise, my friends! Rise! Rise, my friends! Rise! Rise, my friends! Rise!
I am here. You are here. We are here. For celebration!
Reconciliate, reconciliate, reconciliation. I am here today. You are here today. We are here today for celebration. Reconciliate, reconciliate, reconciliation.
It was touching to see this rehearsal. I just arrived from Rome Cinecittà, from a professional setting. When I entered, I was touched by the spontaneity, the generosity, the quality of performance, and the shining improvisation that Alok was able to realize here with the scientists, physics, students and scholars. It's not easy to work with a company of not actors that become big actors. Alok is a generous master. Alok is a strange mixture of comic talent, spontaneity, fantasy and professional work. I wish Inside Out workshop all the best because it is the best.
For celebration.